It's Alicia here, and I am here. I'm back with another video, and with this video, I want to come in and talk about two of my favorite palettes, and we're gonna do a little bit of swatches on this video as well. We ain't gonna do many, but we're gonna do a little bit of swatches. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, make sure y'all check out the video before this video. It's a pretty interesting video. So, the palettes we're going to be discussing is the I hope I pronounced this good, a Canopy Spotlight palette and a Canopy Splash Candy palette. So let's start with the Splash Candy palette. Now, this palette and that palette is two of my favorite palettes because these are palettes that I actually use when I do my She-Ra and He-Man makeup tutorials. I know next week I will owe y'all a He-Man and She-Ra makeup tutorial, so that will be coming. But let me just go on. So we have this particular palette. One thing I do like about this is one, it has expiration date. So this is good until to the 6th to 14th of 2023. So it's good until then. It's a cruelty-free brand. So yeah, I do like cruelty-free brands. So I love it's just a regular old packaging, but it's it's totally different. But then I have this. Like I said, I get all of my Canopy products. I get them off of Amazon.com. Amazon.com is good about pricing, and I remember I paid about $14 for this, so close to $15. So let's get started. So I have used it, so please excuse the mess up in here. So we have the oranges, reds, purples, blues, greens. So let me talk about these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 colors right here, from the green all the way up to the orange. So from the green to the orange, they are some pretty good dupes for the if you're looking for those individual, I think it's 10 pan, I think it's the 10 pan or a 6 pan or 8 pan Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. So that's that. But then you got this one color that is not in the Obsession line, so that is pretty good. Let me just say I did just use the blues, and oh my god, they are pretty. So let me know if y'all want me to do an all blue look. If you want me to do one, okay? So then, I mean, you got the purples. They're pretty good. I do use their glitter. I think this is a glitters or shimmers, but yeah, that's what they're looking like. Okay, let me like rub this on my hand for you to see. Y'all see how I think they probably would be good pigmentation. I have used them a couple of times, but good pigmentation and everything. I think it's something different. It's something different we are getting. So yeah. So that is that. I like the palette. This is a palette I would recommend. This is a palette I would recommend if you're looking for a good Christmas gift for like a niece or nephew, whoever is doing makeup. This would be a great palette right here. This will be a great palette right here to get and stuff. Now, this one I also like because number one, it gives it's a good, like again, it gives expiration date. So that's good about them. And it's also cruelty free up to 12 months. So yeah, I've been having this for a good while. Number one, I love the packaging on this one. because I love this. It is the 40 Color Spotlight Makeup Eyeshadow Palette. So this is a pretty good palette. But the one thing I like about it is this part right in here. The whole palette on the outside. It has this like velvety, smooth like feel to it. So that's good. Okay, now y'all know this is a palette that I use pretty much a lot in my He-Man and She-Ra series. So let's get started. So like with this one, this is also a 40 color. This is a 40 color eyeshadows. Now you getting different tone. You getting different tones of pinks, purples, reds, orange, yellows, greens, blues, and also in the new colors. So yeah. So this is going to be very high pigmented. What I mean is, let me see. We're going to swatch. This is the navy blue, and I can show you. Just to give you some insight, this blue is very pigment, and the dark purple. Very pigmentation and leaves stains on your finger. And one more. And this green. Now y'all see those pigmentation. Now y'all see those colors, how pigment they are and everything. Now I will pull a green shimmer just for y'all to get where it is on the now there go the green, and look at that. You see the difference between this glitter and this shimmer? Oh my god, it's so great. Now let me show you the pigmentation. So here's my stained fingers. Now look, watch this blue. It's pigment. These are stained. My fingers are stained. But yeah, this is the pigmentation and everything and stuff. I will say the following for both of those palettes. If you like stuff like this where I go back and I talk about my palettes and give you my point of view of them, please thumbs up this video. But as you see, I mean, look how pigmented these are. These are very pigmented. They do stain your fingers. That blue completely stained. And I mean stained. Because, I mean, I can still get product from this navy blue on my finger. On the side of my hand. And stuff. But, yeah. Anything. But, yeah, still, you still can get... Look at that. You can still get product and stuff like that. But I will actually say it's this is some pretty great makeup, especially with that, and it's a cruelty free, and you're getting like, this is a palette that you will have to just keep using or use because of having an expiration date. I think all makeup should have expiration dates on them. This is just a palette. I do recommend these two palettes. And like I'm saying, both palettes come from Amazon.com. So I will leave the how to search for them on Amazon. So until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.